Hey guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo in Canva resume. So first off, go to Google and type in Canva. At the top, you'll see the official website of Canva. Open the website or just simply click on free templates. Here you can see different type of templates. For example, I will choose this one. After clicking on the right, you'll see the option to customize. Click on this. To add a photo, on the left side, click on the Uploads option, then just click on Upload Files, go to Pictures, and I'm uploading this image. So I'll just take the image here. Now I'll just adjust this image at the top. So for example, I have kept the image on the right side at the top. Now, if you want to change the frame of the image, what I mean by frame, I'll just tell you now. Select the image on the left side, click on Elements and then Frame, click on See All. Here you can see there are multiple frames I can choose from. For example, I'm choosing this circle one. I'll just click it once and it will appear here. After bringing the frame in the resume, just simply select the image and then hover it here. Now, as you can see, my image has turned into a circle frame. Now I'll just move it on the top. I'll just crop it a little bit. So you can see that my image frame is now circle. I can also try different frames. So this is how you can change or you can upload your image on a resume. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.